integrating a lead capture campaign on your Facebook page. Hey there, everyone. Did you know you can use your Facebook page to capture email leads with just a few clicks and a simple integration? And in this lesson, we'll continue to the second stage of lead generation in your latest Facebook marketing journey by showing you how to integrate your mailing list on your Facebook page. Getting started. The right way to integrate lead generation to a Facebook page is by connecting to an email marketing service. There are many email marketing services that you can choose from, and in this lesson, we'll be using MailChimp. If you use a different email marketing service, there's nothing to worry about though, as email marketing integration is the same across the board, which means you can apply very similar steps regardless of the platform you use. Integrating your mailing list and your Facebook page. Okay, so let's start by signing into the MailChimp dashboard. From here, you'll click on the Profile menu and then on the Account option. In the following page, you're going to click on the Integrations tab. Now you're going to click on the Facebook tab, then on the Login button. Make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account when you take this step. Next, click on Continue As button, and then on OK to give MailChimp access to your Facebook account and pages. On this same page, click on the Page to Use menu button and select a page where you'll integrate the sign-up form. Now, click on the Audience to Use menu button to select the list where you'll save your Facebook leads. Next, select Yes under Use Sign-up tab. Now, click on the Form Theme menu button and select Facebook-esque. Now you're going to enter the label of your sign-up tab on your Facebook page into the tab label and then click on Save. Checking your Facebook page lead capture form. Let's now go to our Facebook page to see the sign-up form that we just integrated. The form will integrate in the Page tabs menu on the left, so that's where you are going to check. And there you go. This is the sign-up form tab label we set up. Let's click on it to check it out. As you can see, a complete sign-up form integrated with your Facebook page with just a few clicks. Now your page followers and visitors can join your mailing list easily.